If you're interested in upgrading to a paid plan on Framer, make sure to use the link in the description. You can also enter the promo code PARTNER25 royally to get 25% off and enjoy 3 months for free. So, if you're looking to enhance your Framer experience, take advantage of that offer. To add an image in Framer, click the Insert and scroll down, select Media, then drag the image, and you've just successfully added an image in your board in Framer. Now, to resize it, just simply drag each corner to adjust the width and height of your image. Now, on the right side, you'll see the editor. You can adjust the capacity here. You can also fill an image in here by just clicking the fill and then selecting image instead of solid colors. Now, click the choose image and you'll be redirected to your computer, and that's it. You've just successfully added an image in Framer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.